Hello guys, we will discuss about the energy level diagram of oxygen molecule. Beta, energy level diagram of oxygen, fluorine and neon molecule is differ from nitrogen and rest of the element. These three elements, oxygen, fluorine and neon, they have similar energy level diagram, and beside these three other have energy level diagram of nitrogen like. Then beta, oxygen molecule is made up of two oxygen atoms. Atomic number of each oxygen is 8. Electronic configuration of each oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, beta 2p4 or 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. Now start to draw the energy level diagram. First of all, draw the energy that is increased from lower to upper side like this. Beta, first of all, electron enter in s orbital. Oxygen atom, this is another oxygen atom, and they will combine together to give oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule is more stable as compared to oxygen atom, so write slightly lower side. First of all, in case of oxygen atom, electron enter in 1s orbital. Beta, level of orbital same from this side, horizontal side, and similar in vertical direction. Beta, first of all, electron enter in 1s orbital. 1s2, that means it consists of 2 electrons. This oxygen also, that will be represented on same level. 1s2, it also consists of 2 electrons. When 2 atomic orbitals overlap or combine with each other, 2 new orbitals are formed. One with lower energy, another with higher energy. The orbital formed with lower energy is known as bonding molecular orbital, and an orbital formed with higher energy, higher than atomic orbital, is known as antibonding molecular orbital. By combination of s orbital or overlapping of s orbital, sigma compound or sigma orbital is formed. Sigma for bonding, sigma star for antibonding. Both are 1s. Beta, these 1s consist of 2, another also 2, 4 electron, 2 on lower side, 2 on upper side. That means our electronic configuration for oxygen molecule is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Beta star represent the antibonding. Now electron enter in 2s orbital. Here, and this level remains same. Now electron enter in 2s orbital. 2s orbital. Beta 2s2, that means each atomic orbital consists of 2 electrons. 2 atomic orbital combined together, again they will give 2 new molecular orbital. One is lower energy, one with higher energy. Lower energy is bonding, higher energy is antibonding. Both are 2s orbital. By overlapping of s orbital, sigma bond is formed. So sigma orbital, sigma star orbital. Without star, bonding. With star, antibonding. 4 electrons are there. 2 on lower side, 2 on upper energy side. Now electron enter in p orbital. Now electron enter in p orbital. That is the 2p4. P orbital consists of px, py, pz. 2p4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 according to Hund's principle or law of multiplicity. Same for another p orbital or another oxygen atom. Beta, total 6 orbitals. When 6 atomic orbitals overlap with each other, new 6 orbitals are formed, just like nitrogen. 3 with lower energy, 3 with higher energy. Beta, out of these 3, 2 are pi orbital, 1 is sigma. Beta, When 6 atomic orbitals overlap with each other, 6 new molecular orbitals are formed, 3 with lower energy, 3 with higher energy than these atomic orbitals. The orbital formed with lower energy are bonding, formed with higher energy are anti-bonding molecular orbital. We have total 8 electrons. Beta, first of all, fill electrons in lower energy level, then into higher. Beta 1, 2, then out of 8, 2 are filled. Remaining 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total electron 6. We have total 8. Then remaining 2 in upper side. And according to Hund's principle, if energy level remains same, each orbital is half filled. The individual orbital is sigma and the two orbitals on same level, that is pi. Beta sigma orbital is formed by 2pz, pi is formed by 2px, 2py. 2 electron in pz. Also they have two electrons. This is also on same level, so pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and each orbital consists of 1 electron. This is the energy level diagram for oxygen. Beta, this basic is same for fluorine. Fluorine consists of 1 more electron in each. So total 2 electrons increase. In case of neon, they are fully filled. You will practice by understand the energy level diagram of oxygen with, you will practice with fluorine and neon. Now you will write the electronic configuration of oxygen molecule that carry 1 mark in your exam beta. First of all, electron entering sigma 1s2, then sigma star 1s2, then sigma 2s2, then sigma star 2s2. Now sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2py2. Now pi star 2px1, pi star 2px1, pi star 2py1. Sigma star 2pz 0. You may or may not be right. Lowest energy, least energy is sigma 1s, then energy increase. But px and py have same energy. Like this. Beta, this carry 1 mark in your exam. Now calculate bond order. Calculate bond order. Formula to calculate bond order is half of number of bonding electron minus number of anti-bonding electron. Beta, half. Bonding electrons are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Anti-bonding electrons are 2, 4, 5, 6. 4 by 2, answer is 2. Beta, when according to Lewis structure, when oxygen combined with another oxygen, it will form double bond, and number of bond between two atoms is the bond order, that will be same. Yeah, means your answer is correct. Now magnetic behavior, either paramagnetic or diamagnetic. Magnetic behavior, you will find if all electrons are paired, it is diamagnetic. If one of the electron is unpaired, it is paramagnetic. Beta, paired electron, again paired electron, again paired and unpaired. If one of the electron is unpaired, it is paramagnetic. It have 2 unpaired electrons, that means it is paramagnetic in nature. In your exam, question is that explain paramagnetic nature of oxygen. Beta, answer is only this one. Then beta, it is the energy level diagram for oxygen molecule. This is for oxygen molecule. You will practice by using fluorine and neon, because these three elements or molecule give this. Otherwise, all other show energy level diagram just like nitrogen molecule. Now, beta, in your exam, 3 mark question, then it is over. But question is that explain stability order or explain stability of oxygen molecule with its ions, mononegative, beta di-negative, monopositive, di-positive. Now, magnetic behavior, stability, all will be explained on the basis of this energy level diagram. Beta stability will explain on the basis of bond order. More the bond order, more is the stable. More the bond order, more is the stable. If bond order is similar, stability is similar. Bond order is less, that become unstable. If bond order is 0, that means no bond formed between molecule or molecule does not exist. Now, beta, there is no need to draw the diagram for each ion separately. You will understand the concept only from here. You will draw a table, species, beta bond order, magnetic behavior and stability. Draw a table like this. Now, beta, first of all, our species is oxygen. You will calculate bond order to magnetic behavior, paramagnetic, and stability, beta, it is stable. More stable or less stable, that will be explained by comparing these ions. Now, our ion is oxygen positive. Positive is come when it lose one electron. If this molecule lose one electron, it lose electron from higher energy level. Higher energy level is this one, it lose electron of 2p. It lose electron of 2p, that is anti-bonding. Then bond order is half of bonding, again 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But anti-bonding are 2, 4, 5 because py is removed. Answer is bond order is 2.5. Magnetic behavior, it lose one unpaired electron, one remain. It is again paramagnetic. Better out of these two, bond order higher for this one. This is more stable. This is more stable. Now oxygen di-positive. Di-positive means both the electron from bonding is removed because anti-bonding is higher energy level. Both electrons are removed, all electrons are paired. If these are removed, beta, all electrons are paired. That means diamagnetic. If all electrons are paired, it is diamagnetic. Bond order, bonding electrons are 10, but anti-bonding are, these two are removed. Out of 6, 2 are removed, only 4. Beta bond order is 3. That means it is most stable. It is most stable. Now, oxygen mononegative. Negative charge is present on that atom or molecule which gain one electron. Mononegative, 1 electron, di-negative, 2 electron. Which gain electron, negative charge, which lose electron, positive charge. It have -1, it means it gain 1 electron. This 1 extra electron come here in 2px. That means number of anti-bonding electron increase. Total bonding are 10. Total anti-bonding are 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Bond order is 1.5. Beta bond order is 1.5. And if 2px is paired up, but 2py is unpaired. If unpaired, it is paramagnetic. And bond order is less. That means it is less stable. When we compare bond order of this ion with other, it is less stable because of least. Now oxygen dinegative. Dinegative means one more electron coming to provide. All electrons are paired. It is dimagnetic. Calculate bond order. Bonding electrons are 10 but anti-bonding are 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beta bond order is 1. 1 means it is least stable. Arrange these according to stability. Beta, which one is most stable? Answer is oxygen dipositive. Most stable as compared to oxygen positive. As compared to beta 2.5 से less है आपका 2 oxygen, that is O2. Now from these two, O2 negative, then O2 dinegative. It is the stability order. That means oxygen dipositive is most stable, more and more stable among all these, and this is least stable. Beta, you will practice these ions for oxygen and neon, for fluorine. F2 negative, F2 dinegative, F2 positive, F2 dipositive. Same for neon. Neon dipositive, neon monopositive, neon mononegative, neon dinegative. For these ion also you will practice.